Good morning, YouTube family. How's everybody doing today? Uh, Today we're gonna do things a little differently. Yesterday I went out and I went to my my son's program at school. So that's what this vlog is gonna be about. We like I said, this was all done yesterday. Or I recorded that, and I recorded it on my tablet. So it's too dark to do. It was to do an opening to that, and I didn't want to do it in the school. There was probably, I'd say, it had to be a good 500-600 people there. There was a crap load of freaking people at this program. But I really hope you guys enjoy it. I just recorded him singing. I didn't record the whole program, so I mean it was like an hour and a half program. I didn't want to record the whole thing, so I basically just wanted to record my son singing. So I basically just wanted to share that with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So without further ado, here's the video.
Rock, rock, rock the little baby, come to earth on Christmas Day. Rock, rock, rock the little baby, tiny king is born today. Rock, rock, rock the little baby, sleeping now in Mary's arms. Rock, rock, rock the little baby, Joseph keep you safe from harm. Sing hallelujah, hallelujah, sing hallelujah, hallelujah, sing hallelujah, hallelujah, sing hallelujah, hallelujah. Rock, rock, rock the little baby, stars shine bright in heaven's skies. Rock, rock, rock the little baby, Mary sings a lullaby. Rock, rock, rock the little baby, sleeping now in Mary's arms. Rock, rock, rock the little baby, Joseph keep you safe from harm. Sing hallelujah, hallelujah, 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 sing hallelujah. Rock the little baby, hallelujah. Over the river and through the wood, to grandmother's house we go. The horse knows the way to carry the sleigh through wise and drifted snow.
And there you go. I really, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that. I just wanted to share that with you, and it was a wonderful program. It was this place. It was jam packed. I mean, it was great. I kind of wish I would have recorded the whole thing. When I look back at it, I had a great seat. I was in the front seat, so I was able to see my son, and of course he didn't see me. If you noticed, he never even looked at me. He didn't see. He was looking more out in the audience and totally just didn't see me sitting there. So it's no big deal. So he basically didn't see me, but I did let him know that I was there. And when the program ended and stuff like that, I couldn't even find him. There were so many people everywhere, and I wanted to get a picture of him, but there was nothing I could do. I don't know if I just missed them, if they left early, but it is what it is. But I really hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope you guys are having a good week. I hope you guys got your Christmas shopping done. It's getting closer. I can't believe how close it's getting to Christmas. I mean, it's like it's right around the corner. I mean, and we still have to go get our tree, but I kind of want to do that as a family thing. I don't want to just me and my son go pick out a tree. I kind of want to make it a family oriented thing. It's just something about it. It's a tradition thing. We go out and as a family pick out our Christmas tree, and I don't want to break that. So hopefully Thursday we're gonna go pick it out. Rather it gets decorated, I don't know, because they're gonna come over Thursday and they'll only be here that night. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it all plays out on that day. Like I said, it's kind of a play-by-play thing. We're either going to decorate it Thursday or we're going to decorate it Monday. One way or another, hopefully we get the tree Thursday. If not, then we're going to go pick it up Monday. But I want to get it up. I really want to get in the Christmas spirit, and it's kind of hard to get in the Christmas spirit when you don't have the Christmas stuff up. I mean, I see everybody else's stuff going up. I see the whole town is looking wonderful. You walk around town, and I want to do that one day. I'm going to give it a couple, probably sometime within a week or so. We're going to take a walk around. I'm going to see how I can get this done and do a nighttime vlog, and then we can walk around, and I want to show you guys' lights. I want to walk around so you guys can see the wonderful Christmas lights that people are putting up in this town. Again, they're doing a it's like a competition. It's more like a I guess it is. It's whoever's house is decorated the nicest, they win a trophy and like a $15 gift card to one of the restaurants here, which is actually, I don't even know if it's a restaurant. I really don't know about it. It's a wine place, whatever. I don't drink wine, so I've never been in there, so I'm not sure what they do, if they serve stuff. I don't know, but I guess maybe one of these days we'll have to go in there and check it out. But I would like to walk around and show you guys what our town is looking like. I mean, there's a lot of people who've really going out and they're really decorating nicely, and I want you guys to see it. I want to share it with you guys. So we'll get to that within the next, like I said, couple days. Probably it might be a week. I said maybe closer to a week, because I know people are still. I think the sign up just ended, or they might have extended it a little bit, but people are still in the process of decorating their houses and stuff like that. But I'm not sure when they stop People might start shutting their lights off. I don't know. But we're going to get to it. We are going to get to it. But I'm just going to sit here and blab on, blab on, blab on. You know, I just want to end this and not drag you guys through just a me yakking vlog here. Again, I wanted to bring my son's program to you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys all for you guys' support. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe and turn on your notification, because I'll be doing some gaming, and some of them are going to be live, some of them I'm just going to do recordings. So if you want to join me in a Fortnite battle, please look me up at Smokey Bandit 43 and hit me a friend request, or just watch, and when I go live or I do a video and stuff like that, a recording, jump on in and we can play a game and stuff like that. And if you guys are better than me, you guys have to be better than me, because I'm not that great at it. So look me up, hit me up on that, and I will be doing live feeds on some of them, so make sure you guys turn on your notifications on your subscription, or when you subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment down below. I do read every single one of the comments. When you do that, you are going to be entered into a gift card giveaway to wherever you want it to be. Doesn't matter wherever you want it to be. I'm taking the winner out of the comments, so you gotta leave a comment. Don't just subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment down below, if you're saying hi or whatever the thing may be. That's where I'm going to pick out the winner. So piling a list. As soon as we hit 100 subscribers, boom, we're doing $100 or $10 giveaway. The more subscribers we go or get, the more giveaways we're going to do. So every 100 we get is going to be a $10 giveaway. So your odds are pretty good. I mean, they're in your favor. So I do it now. Make sure you get in there now, because you have a really good chance of winning. I think that's about it. I hope you guys are, like I said, hope everything's going good. Shoot me a picture of your if you guys decorated your house or your trees, send me a picture of it. I'd love to see it. I'd love to hear from you guys. I would love to hear, I love getting fan mail from you guys. So if you want to send me any kind of mail or something like that, at the end of this vlog, you will see that my mailing address, so you guys can go ahead and shoot me a letter or whatever you want. I'd love to get some art from you guys and hang on the wall, because I'm going to make a studio and it's going to be decorated with just your guys' art and stuff like that. So love to hear from you. So I guess we're going to end that right here. Like I said, I don't want to sit here and just go on about, I don't have much else going on right now. I feel like I'm just kind of stretching this vlog out, repeating myself. So we're gonna get out of here, guys. I really hope you, man, I just keep going. I gotta end it. All right, guys, be brave, be strong, and remember, God always loves you. I know it's really hard to believe it sometimes, because you guys got crappy stuff going on in your life. We all do, but trust me, He loves you. Talk to you guys next time.